What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning? I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m.
I get out of bed slowly. I get out of bed slowly. I stretch my body after waking up. I stretch my body after waking up. I go to the bathroom to wash my face. I go to the bathroom to wash my face.
I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning.
I take a quick shower. I take a quick shower.
I dry myself with a towel. I dry myself with a towel. I get dressed for the day. I get dressed for the day.
I choose comfortable clothes. I choose comfortable clothes.
I comb my hair. I comb my hair.
I make breakfast in the kitchen. I make breakfast in the kitchen.